Okay, so here's a fun and interesting situation. I was just cruising around on the used.ca website and I found a listing for Scotch mini bottles. The ad said that there was like 50 mini bottles and they were mostly unopened and full, so that's a good thing. But there was no price listed, and I could see in the picture it looked like a lot of them still had tax stamps on them, so they look like to be a little bit older. But I don't really know what I'm going to get, because when I emailed the guy, he didn't really know anything about them, didn't really know anything about whiskey. So it's kind of a crapshoot here, because the guy said, I don't know, I'll take 20 bucks. So I thought 50 mini bottles for 20 bucks. How far can you go wrong? And there could be some gems in there. So at this point, I am on my way to pick up the mini bottles, and then we will do a bit of a unboxing here, and it'll be kind of like Storage Wars style in a way, because we've purchased a lot here, but we don't know what we're gonna get. So this could either be really interesting or really terrible. I've got my cash here, my $20. Some of it is in change, sorry about that. But I'm gonna drop my $20 off, and then we'll see if we get $20 worth of whiskey or not. All right, we'll report back momentarily. Okay, I'm at the destination. Let's go make the drop and see how this goes. Okay, the drop is complete. This is one of those start the car situations, because I can already tell that the haul looks pretty good. So let's get out of here before there's this guy changes his mind. Just a quick glance into the initial look into the bag. There's some interesting stuff in here for sure. Okay, I have found a lovely spot here at scenic Dallas Road in Victoria, British Columbia, and I am going to get into the $20 stash of mini bottles. One interesting thing about driving here was there was a very unique clinkety clink of the bottles clanking together. It wasn't a glass clink, it was a porcelain clink. So a lot of little porcelain miniatures in here, which is always a good sign. So I'll flip the camera around and give you a little view of where I'm at, and then let's unload these bottles. Okay, this is our location for the unboxing today. This is scenic Dallas Road here. Nice walkway and ocean view. All right, let's see what we've got here. This is really exciting. Okay, the first one is a little book. It has the seal on it, but it sounds empty. It says Rutherford's Deluxe Scotch Whisky. Sounds empty. Okay. All right, let's go with this. What's this little grenade? This whiskey is 12 years old. Pinch by Haig, old blended Scotch whiskey. Still has the seal on it there, so that's pretty cool. It's got a little bit of a kind of a wax deal on the top, but okay, that's pretty cool. Looks old as hell. All right, what's this green one? All right, here's the green one. Ooh, Cutty Sark. Okay. I'm not a big fan of today's version of Cutty Sark, but this one looks opened. So that's kind of, let's put a skunky pile down here. The skunky pile is going to be down there. This one's good so far. Okay, we got one. Okay, this is Clan Tartan Scotch whiskey. It is also empty and looks like it's been resealed. Okay, maybe I've been totally hustled here. Okay, what do we got? We have 1961 on the tax stamp. Shenley OFC Canadian whiskey. This is one I'm gonna have to get Davin DeCurgamo to look up for me here. That's pretty cool. Looks to be clear in the bottle. The other side of the tax stamp is not intact. It looks like it was glued or something. These are not good signs here. It looks like they've glued the lid shut. Oh God. Does this one have it too? There's some kind of wax on this one. This is sketchy. Damn it. Like maybe they just sealed them all thinking that would help. I can't tell if that seal is intact or not. Royal Scot Whisky. Yeah, it's Teacher's Scotch. It's really weird how these are, it's wax. Like I don't know if somebody's put wax on them to like preserve them, but I don't know, that one's sketch too. Uh-oh, this is a bad sign, I'm scared. This one has stuff in it. Sealed on the bottom. Just looks like they've put wax. Like maybe that's an old technique to make sure your seals stay. The Spirit of Scotland, Volume 2. Rutherford Whisky Merchants Limited. Scotland. Okay. There's something in there at least. Yeah, the wax is sketching me out. I don't know. Okay, here's a similar one to that. This is volume, what is that, 4? Okay. Look at these little grenades. Little barrel. Product of Scotland. 70 proof. Okay. Oh, Old English proof. So this has the wax on it as well. It's definitely got something in it. Okay. Rutherford's Blended. Here's another Rutherford's Blended. Also full. Very cool looking anyway. Little sketchy. Okay, here's a familiar face. Seagram's Crown Royal. That is very old. Little bit of wax on the lid. Tax stamp is ripped, so we've got a problem there. But looks cool. Still a little sketchy. Okay. Okay, we got a bottle of Ballantine's here. Ballantine's Finest Scotch, aged 8 years, so that's interesting. A little bit of wax on this one too. Okay. All right, here is one. Tamnavulin Glenlivet, that's cool. Single malt. Okay, this is our first single malt, 75 proof. And this appears to be still originally sealed. Unless that's, I don't know if that's been taped itself. But that's pretty cool. That's pretty close to the best one that we've gotten so far, I'd say. Okay, what else do we got here? Let's get some porcelain ones here. Sorochius Mayeth. A wee, what does that say? Cootie? Tootie? Gootie? Of Scotch? Old Scotch Whisky 70. Campbell Hope and King Limited. That looks like it's still sealed, so that's interesting. All right. Okay. This is interesting. The Klatchen Dichter Tomen tool. That feels heavy, but empty almost. Weird. Another one of these books. Volume 1. There's volume 1. It's got a bit of a seal issue there. Okay, weird. What the hell is this? This is empty. Some rye whiskey. Anyway, that one's empty. What do we got here? Black and white Buchanan's. That's cool. A lot of these seals, I just can't tell if they're broken or not. I might have to just try one. Might have to just experiment, you know? Might get poisoned. We'll see. Abbott's Choice. Finest old Scotch whiskey. Again, sealed? I don't think so. I don't know. All right. So far, interesting bottles, but they're sketchy, super sketchy. And this one says, what, 1961 or 2. It's broken. 1961. Okay, and that's another one. That's doubles. Okay, here's one. Chivas Regal 12. Very old school. This one appears to be sealed, I would say. Okay. What's this weird thing? This one's definitely been opened. Calvert Very Dry Martini. Look at that advertising. Classic hairdos. Not drinking that, that's for sure. What do we got here? Seagrams with a cork. It's an empty bottle. Oh man. Looking at a potential bust scenario here. This is a little golf ball. Yeah, looks sealed, but doesn't feel like there's anything in it. Shit. Okay, what do we got here? Okay. Seal appears to be intact on the cabin still. Oh, this could make it all worthwhile. An old cabin still like this. Would this be Stitzel Weller? 6 years old. Cabin still distillery. I'm gonna have to research this one a little bit. I know that there was Stitzel Weller in here at one time. Yeah, this could be the jewel. This could be the gem. The lid is it's got the seal on it, but it's got a little bit of wax on it. Hard to say. That could be a gem though. That could be a real gem. Cool. That's worth some research right there. Okay. All right, we got another dimple. Appears to be sealed, but it certainly lost some contents. Anything new and interesting in here? Hey, gold label. Again, appears to be kind of sealed. I'd love to hear somebody on the methodology behind the wax. Ooh, passport Scotch. Interesting. Blended Scotch. Okay. This is not that old because it's got the plastic top on it. Okay. Here is another wee cootie, wee tootie, wee goody, whatever that means. Still got the cork in it. That's interesting. Okay, what else do we got here? Another Ballantines. There's some floaties in this one. Not looking so good, but okay. What's this? Another Shenley. 1961 Shenley. Tax stamps are broken. Unfortunate. Here's a Canadian Club. What's the year on this one? 1964. Tax stamp is kind of broken. This looks to be cracked, so that's no good. Oh man. Here's another one of the Tamnavulins. Appears to have the black seal on it still. Single malt. So that's cool. 2 of those ones. Oh, here's one. Oh, that's a mini. This one looks like hell. Plastic and pretty gross looking Beam. Beam's Kentucky Whiskey. A blend. Only half a bottle left. risky. There's one. Got a guy inside. No whiskey though. We're getting down to the end. Bells. This one appears to be still sealed. Okay. Old Scotch whiskey. Extra special. It looks good. Another black and white, but the seal is broken. What's this one? Old Par. Looks cool. Stamps appear to be intact. This might be a good one. The very rare. Okay. A lot of stuff appears to be rare. Canadian Club 1973. Tax stamps look good. This one might be all right. From Hiram Walker. There you go. Last two. Another Canadian Club, similar one. Looks like the top is tampered with. All right, last bottle. Black and white. Okay, well. Okay, people, I need to hear from you. How did I make out? Did I get $20 worth of whiskey out of here? Or just $20 worth of an adventure? There's certainly some interesting bottles in there, but it's really hard to tell if they've been tampered with or what the situation is. Maybe I'll tune back in when I drink one of them, and we can see what happens to me. But until then, thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my haul here, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.